few days. I was out of my little mixing cups, so I got some more, and I think I'm ready to go for something new, something different, little. So we'll see how this goes. First of all the paints are mixed with this Mix Pour medium, and it's from some artists that make it, and the website is www.karpata.art. Karpata.art. Supposed to mix it 7-to-1. These two colors are closer to 5 or 6-to-1. I ran out of space in the cup because I put too much paint in to begin with, and I don't notice a lot of different, like the pouring medium. I don't notice a lot of difference between like 5-to-1, 6-to-1, and 7-to-1. They're pretty similar. So I think 7-to-1 is good if you have really expensive paint that you don't want to use as much paint. But hopefully this works. And same with the white. I put a little too much in. The white is the Amsterdam Titanium White, and I put about 16 grams of titanium white and 4 grams of the Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint, and the color is White Adirondack. And I got the lid crooked. This is kind of like using satin enamel, so it gives you kind of a cloud effect, or I've had some good luck with it doing that. So my base puddle is going to be the black, so I didn't mix up as much white. Okay, my gold, I used Extreme Sheen 24K gold. It looks a little muted, I guess, not quite as sheeny with the median, but I think it'll work out. Anyway, moving along, I have a combo here. This is Aqua Green from Artist Loft mixed with a little bit of Color Shift, Folk Art Color Shift. This is Aqua Flash. So Aqua Green and Aqua Flash. And the next color is really similar, so they're just slightly different shades. I'll show you in a second. So, okay, the next one is Montmartre, and the color is turquoise. And this one's just like the other one, but a little bluer, tiny bit bluer. It's going to be hard to tell the difference, but that's the turquoise. And then I'd have Amsterdam Yellowish Green. It's just a very bright apple green color. And the last color is a combo of Amsterdam Greenish Yellow with a little bit of the Yellow Flash from Folk Art Color Shift. So that's the colors. We will, I'm gonna spill something here. I'm not good at not spilling these days. Just one of those things. Anyway, let me go get a canvas ready, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. I taped the back of this is a level 3 gallery wrap canvas. It's a 12 by 12, so not super big, but like I usually do, if I get something really cool, then I may pour a bigger one. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I need to put a little bit of black, I think, in a smaller cup to make it easier to pour. So I guess that doesn't matter. So we're going to put black on the canvas anyway. So I'm gonna layer in the black with the other colors, and I think I'm gonna put the black, gold, and white in a couple of places, and I am not really sure here. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with the remaining colors. I'm going to use in thick parts, but I'm going to put some stuff in between them, I think. And put these over here. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna stop there. Okay. I didn't really cover the order very well. I was kind of randomly doing it. I'm guessing a little. I don't really have a good feel for how I want these layered in these particular colors because I'm not real experienced with most of these colors. Although I do use the gold quite a bit. So anyway, let me get a good pillow here. I think I'm gonna wear gloves this time, especially if I'm gonna do another. Let me grab some gloves. Okay. I haven't really thought about if I'm going to do a straight pour or more like a ring or a jiggle pour. Let me just start. We did a little bit of basically a straight pour, and then I kind of switched it up into a ring pour. So, I don't know why it's wanting to, I think this canvas is just a little bit dipping on that edge, but let me, whoops. So one thing I've learned is that when you do these ring pours, you really want to have a lot of paint around it. Or, I mean, you can do it without it, but you're going to lose a lot of the, oops, I just got a nice little black line across it. Anyway, if you don't put enough, then the paint rolls over on itself. So anyway, I'm getting some really nice cells right now. me see. So it's kind of weird. I keep ending up with squares instead of circles. I pour it in a circle, but so we're just gonna kind of circularize it a little bit. Okay. This is coming out pretty cool so far. Let's see. All right. So this is really cool. I think I wish I had a little bit more yellow, but other than that, I really am liking it. There's a lot of really fun cells that are working there. So let me check all the corners and the sides first on this one. I definitely got good coverage on this entire canvas. So far, yeah, everything's good. Nice. Awesome. Okay, we'll be back in just a minute.